Hi, this video lesson will definitely make you smarter because you will be learning how to solve simultaneous equations and applying them to your daily activities. There are three methods in solving simultaneous equations. One is elimination method, two is graphical method, and three is substitution method. Let Mr. Sam take you on elimination method, and I'll be back with some practical and exciting examples on graphical method. Before that, let's take a break with this question. Answer the question that pops up so that the video will continue.
With this puzzle, this basket contains 10 oranges and mangoes. 10 oranges and mangoes. There's no way you can tell the exact numbers of oranges and mangoes. You can only guess. And your guess may be 1 orange, 9 mangoes, 8 mangoes, 2 oranges, 6 oranges, 4 mangoes, 5 oranges, 5 mangoes, so on and so forth. But I want to put an additional information that will guide you. There are 2 more oranges than mangoes. To get the exact number of oranges and mangoes, we will involve the algebraic method of simultaneous equations. Here in this illustrative picture, you have oranges and mangoes. Remember, we said when you add both the numbers of oranges and mangoes, you will get 10. So oranges plus mango is equal to 10. Because there are 2 more oranges than mangoes, it means that the difference between the number of oranges and mangoes is equal to 2. So we replace the oranges with x and the mangoes with y. So s plus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 2. We are going to solve for the exact numbers of oranges and mangoes using the elimination method. So our question now is, solve the following simultaneous equations. X plus y is equal to 10. S minus y is equal to 2. Please note these following points about the elimination method of simultaneous equation. 1. When necessary, always arrange the given equations so that the unknowns are in alphabetical order on the left hand side and the numbers are on the right hand side. 2. Add the equations if the coefficients of the variables to be eliminated are equal but of different signs. Different signs can be plus and minus, minus and plus. And 3. Subtract the equations if the coefficients of the variables to be eliminated are equal and of the same sign. Same sign, minus and minus, plus and plus. So let's solve our equation now. X plus y is equal to 10. That will be our equation 1. X minus y is equal to 2. If you observe the equations very well, I have plus y in equation 1 and minus y in equation 2. The signs are not the same and their coefficients are equal. So I will go straight to eliminate y by adding equations 1 and 2. So x plus s is 2s plus y minus y is equal to 0. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So 2x is equal to 12. I'll divide both sides by 2. S will be 12 over 2. So x is equal to 6. To get the value of y, we'll substitute 6 for x in equation 1, which means wherever you see x, replace it with 6. So 6 plus y is equal to 10. I'll collect my like terms. Y is equal to 10 minus 6. Y is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Y is equal to 4. We take another example. Solve the following simultaneous equations. A minus 2b is equal to 9, our equation 1. 2a plus 3b is equal to 4, our equation 2. I want to eliminate b because 2b has a negative sign in equation 1. 3b has a positive sign in equation 2. So I can add to eliminate them. But note that their coefficients are not equal. 2 in equation 1, 3 in equation 2. To be able to eliminate b, I will make their coefficients equal, both in equations 1 and 2. The way to do that is to use the 2 in equation 1 to multiply everything in equation 2, and to use the 3 before b in equation 2 to multiply everything in equation 1. So if I multiply equation 1, I will have 3 times a is 3a, 3 times minus 2b is minus 6b, 3 times 9 is equal to 27. I use the 2 to multiply equation 2. 2 times 2a is equal to 4a. 2 times 3b is equal to 6b. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Notice now that the signs of b before b in equation 3 now is minus 6b. Equation 4 is plus 6b. So I can eliminate them by adding equations 3 and 4. So 3a plus 7a is equal to 3a plus 4 is equal to 7a. 27 plus 8 is equal to 35. I divide both sides by 7. A is equal to 35 divided by 7. A is equal to 5. To get b, I'm going to substitute 5 for a in equation 1. 5 minus 2b is equal to 9. I'll collect my like terms. Minus 2b is equal to 9 minus 5. Minus 2b is equal to 4. I divide both sides by minus 2. b is equal to 4 divided by minus 2. b is equal to minus 2. Therefore, a is equal to 5. b is equal to minus 2. We take a word problem now. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and difference 2. We are going to assign letters to these two numbers. So I'm assigning G and H. So G plus H is equal to 24. G minus H is equal to 2. Again, look at the coefficients of H in equation 1 and coefficient of H in equation 2. They are equal, but their signs are different, which means we can add the two equations. Add equations 1 and 2. So G plus G is equal to 2G. H minus H is 0, so H is eliminated. 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. I divide both sides by 2. So G is equal to 13 when I divide both sides by 2. To get the value of H, I'm going to substitute 13 for G in equation 1. So 13 plus H is equal to 24. I I collect my like terms. H is equal to 24 minus 13. And 24 minus 13 is 11. So H is equal to 11. G is equal to 13. H is equal to 11. Therefore, the numbers are 13 and 11. We shall be looking at the substitution method. Our question reads, solve the following simultaneous equations. S plus y is equal to 4. 2s minus y is equal to 5. Our solution, s plus 4 plus y is equal to 4 is our equation 1. 2x minus y is equal to 5 is our equation 2. Here we want to substitute. What we do first is to make one of the variables, x or y, the subject of the formula. When we say make it the subject of the formula, what we are saying is that one of the variables, x or y, should stand on its own, preferably on the left hand side, while the other like terms will be on the right hand side. Here I want to make x the subject of the formula. So from equation 1, x is equal to 4 minus y. I have made x the subject of the formula from equation 1. This will now be our equation 3. Now we are going to substitute 4 minus y for x in equation 2, which means anywhere you see s, replace it with 4 minus y. That will now be 2 bracket 4 minus y is equal to 5. We'll open our brackets. 2 times 4 will give us 8. 2 times minus y will give us minus y. The other minus y outside the bracket is equal to 5. 8 minus 3y is equal to 5. We collect our like terms. Minus 3y will be 5 is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 crossing the sign of equality. Minus 3y is equal to 5 minus 8. Minus 3y is equal to minus 3. We divide both sides by minus 3 and y is equal to 1. Remember that when a negative number divides a negative number, you have a positive number. So y is equal to 1. We substitute 1 for y in equation 3, which is again anywhere you see y, put 1. So equation 3 is x is equal to 4 minus 1, which is x is equal to 4 minus 1. X is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1.